Tim with Dirty Devices here, and today we're actually going to tackle a project in our backyard to show you a real-world video with the deltas in action. So we're tackling an area right now where we're trying to smooth it out and fill in a bunch of ruts and bumps and cover up some exposed roots. So we have this path here on the right-hand side that we've already tackled. Next, we're going to be bringing in fill over here to go ahead and kind of smooth this all out, but I want to level it with the same elevation that we have in this path on the right. So what we're going to do is we're going to start the site leveling project, get the bucket rested on this path, zero out here, then go ahead and bring in all this fill, drop it all down, smooth it out, and what we're going to be aiming for is to see a zero in the app, which will indicate that I'm at the exact same elevation as where I zeroed. So to get this rolling, I'm going to go ahead and start site leveling. I've got my deltas here all powered on, calibrated, and ready to go. We're going to pick one of our deltas. I picked up this one, it starts wiggling in the app. I'm going to plop that on the bucket. That's going to be my bucket delta. Doesn't matter which is which, you can plop them anywhere. The other two are going to be my weather anchors. For your weather anchors, you can plop them anywhere nearby as long as they're kind of surrounding the work area. You want to make sure that the deltas are surrounding the area that you're working, just so that way you are getting a decent approximation of the environment. Got delta on the bucket here, so we're going to go ahead and hit start light site leveling, boot the project up, and now I'm going to hop on the machine. And we're ready to zero. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and get the tractor going. We'll move around, get ourselves in position for our 0 point, and we'll get to work. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and position the tractor right where I want to zero to have my kind of target elevation that I want to get the whole project to. So right around here, I'm going to go ahead and plop my bucket on the ground. It's firmly on the ground, so I'm going to hit zero. And that's going to give me my targets. And now I'm going to go ahead and pick this up. We're going to drive backwards. And we're going to go and pick up some material and go and start to fill things in. So, just want to kind of cover where we're at. So I've got this area, we've got a bunch of fill that we just dropped in, started smoothing it over, had to kind of find my 0 point there a little bit again because I was just eyeballing where I put the bucket the first time. So found that again, checked it again, didn't re-zero in the app. We're still got the app open right now, and here we are, we're bang on zero. So this is smoothed out and level with exactly where I had it on the path to the right. So basically now we can just keep going. I don't have to re-zero, I can just keep moving along, dropping more material, and just consistently checking my grade as I go along. And with that, the delta is going to help us get this all smoothed out to the exact same elevation. Now, I just got to keep moving more earth.